Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making cream cheese cookies. These cookies with a hint of vanilla will melt in your mouth. They are really delightful flavored and these are super simple to make. So let's get started. So first of all, I'll be working on the dry ingredients. So here goes the all-purpose flour, the baking powder and the salt. And now I'm going to whisk all of these together. You can also sift your dry ingredients, but this is not very important for this recipe, so you can avoid it also. So just whisk everything together, and we are going to keep this bowl aside for further use. And now is the time to prepare our wet ingredients. So here goes the unsalted butter, and I'm just going to beat this for a minute just to make it soft. Now if you don't have an electric mixer, you can do this with your wire whisk also. That's it. And now into this I'm going to add cream cheese. And now I'm going to cream the butter and cream cheese together. You can also use your stand mixer for this beating. Okay, that's it. So I did this for a minute. So now is the time to add sugar into this, and here it goes. And now I'm going to beat this until it is light and fluffy. Again for a minute or two. Okay. So once this is done properly, I'm going to add one egg into this. And I'm also going to add some vanilla extract. And I'm going to beat this again until everything is mixed properly. These are very easy to make cookies. You don't need much of the stuff, and there are not many steps into this. It's just simple beating and keeping the dough in the fridge and then baking it. So once it's all done, just scrape the sides and the bottom of your bowl. This is a very important step whenever you are preparing any kind of batter while baking. So I'm just going to give it one more mix. Okay, so now is the time to add the flour mixture, and this is what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to add all of the flour together, and I'm going to beat this until just combined. Do not overbeat, do not overmix. Just until everything is combined. After that, stop using your beater. Okay, and rest of the mixing I'll be doing it with my spatula. Okay, give it a last mix with your spatula. Do not forget to scrape the bottom and make sure there are no unmixed bits just in the batter. So I'm just cleaning my spatula because I don't want anything to be wasted. So now I'm going to cover this with a cling wrap, and I'm going to store this in the fridge for about 1 or 2 hours. So minimum of 1 hour you need to store this cookie batter in the fridge, because at the moment it's very sticky and it will be fine once it's in the fridge. Just chill it for minimum 1 hour. It can be kept even overnight also in the fridge, not the freezer. So now this is after 1.5 hours. The batter is out, and now I'm going to roll the cookies. So at this moment, before rolling the cookies, I'll be preheating my oven. So I have already preheated it at 200 degrees Celsius, and now I have just dampened my hands and I'm rolling the batter into small balls. You'll find that the cookie dough is sticky, but it's okay, it's normal, and you can wipe your hands in between, or you can just wash your hands halfway through and then you can come back and roll the balls again. Don't worry, the cookies will be very smooth. They will not be something similar to the balls. So they're just sticky, so that is the reason they are looking like this. Now place each ball about 2 inches apart. You can use a parchment paper, or you can also use a silicone baking sheet like I'm using. Okay, now the cookies are ready to go into the oven, and just place this cookie tray in the middle rack and bake this for about 10 minutes. So this is after 10 minutes, the cookies are done, and you will come to know when you'll see the edges. The edges are golden brown and they are set, but the center may be soft. So just bring them out, they'll set by itself, and they'll be setting while they are cooling down. So just let them come at the room temperature before you just eat them. So now I'm transferring them on the wire rack so that I can let them cool properly for some time before I dig into them. So these are such soft, good, very good looking cookies. I'm sprinkling some powdered sugar over it. You can also use some white chocolate to decorate the cookies. So here goes the cream cheese cookies. See how soft and creamy they are from inside, and believe me, once you eat them, they're really going to melt in your mouth. So I hope you like this recipe. If you have any queries regarding the recipe, please post in the description box below, and I'll be very happy to answer your queries. So if you like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel for many more such easy peasy yummy dessert recipes. And also let me know in the comment section below what you want me to bake for you, and I'll be more than happy to show you the recipe for that. And until we meet again, take good care of yourself and happy baking!